Find the current through the 8W resistor in figure 3.18. Solution. Step I. When the 4V source is acting alone, figure 3.19. By series of parallel reduction technique, figure 3.20. I equals 4. 57 plus 45 0. A 32. From fig 3.20, B, by current division rule. I 0 32 15. 15 148 0 equals times 0 32 plus equals. A 16. From figure 3.19, by current division rule. Equals times plus equals. I 0 16 12. 12 8. Times 16. Step 2. When the 6V source is acting alone, figure 3.21. 6V. 5 ohms. By series of parallel reduction technique, figure 3.22. I equals 6. 12 506 0. A 35. From fig 3.22, B, by current division rule. Equals times plus equals I 035, 1375. 1375 8. Step 3. By superposition theorem. I plus equals 0096022 equals. Plus 0960.